Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we will explore Trump Media and Technology Group in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 24th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 14th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, giving it a score of negative 3.25. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of 30.87%. This translates to an average loss of 1.19% per day since it was listed as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further declines are anticipated. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 43.72% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from a decline of 55.20% to a decrease of 30.02%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of negative 26.20%. Our calculations indicate that the stock's performance could fluctuate between a decline of 85.39% and an increase of 58.75% over the next year. In current terms, this would translate to a future price estimated between $3.07 and $33.35. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Green Day on Monday for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock after gaining 3.75%. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price increased by 3.75% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 24th of March, 2025, rising from $20.25 to $21.01. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.38%, with a day low of $20.58 and a day high of $21.07. The price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 5.47% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 25,000 shares, totaling 2 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $50,099,000. It is important to consider that falling volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $79.38, and the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 73.53%, or $58.37, below the 52-week high of $79.38, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Trump Media and Technology Group, traded under the symbol DJT, is making headlines today with its announcement of a partnership with Crypto.com to launch exchange-traded funds under its Truth.Fi brand. This strategic collaboration aims to diversify the company's offerings and increase its reach in the financial sector, which could stabilize and potentially boost DJT's stock value in the short term as investors respond positively to innovation and market engagement. Additionally, Trump Media recently launched its Truth+ streaming app on Roku, expanding its distribution platform and audience engagement, which may rejuvenate investor interest. However, it's important to consider the current context of DJT's stock performance. Recently, shares have been on a downward trend, fueled by a broader market sell-off and insider trading concerns, as trading volumes have reportedly declined, indicating waning investor confidence. The combination of innovative partnerships and product launches could provide a turnaround opportunity for DJT. In the long term, successful execution of their exchange-traded funds and continued growth in streaming services may restore investor faith, potentially leading to a price recovery. Nonetheless, lingering sell-off pressures and market skepticism will need to be navigated carefully for DJT to achieve sustained growth. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, March 13, 2025, and so far, it has risen by approximately 10%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite the rise in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence near-term developments. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corp stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this presents a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock continue to gain, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $25.05. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $20.39. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative trend. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 41 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal 45 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal 25 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $20.59. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. This stock is subject to significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 490 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 2.38%. During the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 4.41%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is facing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through downturns, often due to external factors that are beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may point to insufficient profit and could raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $22.27. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group faces its first support level at $20.59. If this support level holds, it may serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 11th of March, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 12th of March, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 11,805 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan also conducted an insider sale of 8,954 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan further conducted an insider sale of 300 shares of common stock with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the 55 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of approximately 22.635. Overall, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,754,142 shares in these last 55 trades. Currently, we hold a negative outlook on this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation holds several negative signals, and we believe it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 25th of March, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open lower by 12.3 cents, starting at $20.89. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.